Hello dear students, today we will study about nature of roots. We have also studied about how to find the roots by quadratic formula. Like this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is standard form of quadratic equations. Firstly, we will find the discriminant. Discriminant is denoted by capital D. D means discriminant. B square minus 4ac. B means coefficient of x minus 4. Here A is coefficient of x square. C is constant term. Discriminant can be found with the B square minus 4ac. Firstly, we will find B square minus 4ac. Then, if the value of B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, means this quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. We all of know that this quadratic equation has two roots because its degree is 2. Because power of variable x is 2, so its degree is 2, so it has two roots. Now what type of these roots are? These are distinct and real roots if value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Now second case may be b square minus 4ac may be equal to 0. If value of discriminant is 0, then it has two equal roots, equal real roots, not different values. Both values of x will be same. Now the third condition can be the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If it is less than 0, then it has no real roots. Then this quadratic equation has no real roots. So we can't find the real roots of this quadratic equations. Means this quadratic equation has no roots, real roots. Let us do these questions from the exercise 4.4. Now exercise 4.4. Find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations if the real roots exist, find them. इस क्वेश्चन में बेटे हमने नेचर ऑफ रूट्स को फाइंड करना है. पहले तो अगर नेचर ऑफ रूट्स रियल रूट्स हैं देन हमने रियल रूट्स की वैल्यू को फाइंड करना है. रियल रूट्स कब होते हैं? जब डिस्क्रिमिनेट की वैल्यू आइदर ग्रेटर देन 0, आइदर इक्वल टू 0, नेवर लेस देन 0. मीन्स लेस देन 0 मीन्स डिस्क्रिमिनेट की वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर डिस्क्रिमिनेट की वैल्यू नेगेटिव आ रही है मीन्स द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैज नो रियल रूट्स, सो वी कांट फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. फर्स्टली कंपेयर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Find the nature of roots. Firstly we will find the nature of roots. If roots are real, then we will find the value of these roots. Now compare with a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square in given equation is 2. Coefficient of x, b is coefficient of x, that is minus 3. C is constant term. Constant term is 5. Now firstly find the value of discriminant. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. Now b is minus 3 whole square minus 4. A is 2, C is 5. Minus 3 square means minus 3 multiplied by 2 times. Minus 3 into minus 3, that is 9. 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Our value is minus 31. Now check this value. This is minus 31. Minus 31 means it is less than 0. So value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0. If the b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means this quadratic equation has no real roots. Hence the quadratic equation has no real roots. So Now question number second question, 3x square minus 4 root 3 x plus 4 equal to 0. Firstly compare with the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 3. B is coefficient of x minus root 4 root 3. C is constant and that is 4. Now firstly find the discriminant D. D is b square minus 4ac. Here b is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4. A is 3. C is 4. Now solve this in rough work. Minus 4 root 3 power 2 means it is multiplied by 2 times. Minus 4 root 3 multiplied by minus 4 root 3. Now minus minus is plus. 4 4s are 16. Then root 3 is multiplied by root 3. It becomes simple 3. So value is 48. So 4 root 3 square is 48. Now multiply these all terms. 4 3s are 12. 12 4s are 48. 48 minus 48 0. Now if the value of b square minus 4ac is 0, then the equation has equal real roots. The value of x has same in both cases. Now we will find the value of x. X is found by minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now b is minus 4 root 3 plus minus value of b square minus 4ac is 0. So write down 0. 2a is 3. Now plus 4 root 3 minus minus plus root square root of 0 is 0 plus minus 0 upon 6. We have two cases. One, firstly we take positive signs, then we take a negative signs. First, x is equal to 4 root 3 plus 0 means 4 root 3 upon 6. And second case is 4 root 3 minus 0. No, there is no need to write 0. So 4 root 3 upon 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Similarly 2 2s are 2 3s are. The value of both x 2 root 3 upon 3 and second value is also 2 root 3 upon 3. Both values of x are same. Now it can also written as 2 root 3 upon simple 3. Simple 3 is written as root 3 into root 3. 1 3 cancels. So value of x is 2 root 2 upon root 3. So both values of x is 2 upon root 3. Hence the roots of quadratic equation are 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. Now question third. 2x square minus 6x plus equal to 0. Similarly compare it with quadratic equation. That is standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 2. B is coefficient of x is minus 6. C is constant and constant term is 3. Now firstly find the discriminant. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. B is minus 6 whole square. 4a is 2. C is 3. Minus 6 square means minus 6 multiplied by minus 6, that is 36. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24. 36 minus 12, 24, that is 12, which is also greater than 0. The nature of roots means that this quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. Now the quadratic equation has real and distinct roots. Now we will find the value of these roots. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. With this formula, substitute the value of a, b and c. B is minus 6 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 12. Write down here 12 upon 2a. A is 2. That is plus 6. Now make the factors of 12. के फैक्टर्स बना लो आप. ऐसे 6 3, 3. Now 2 into 2 into 3 upon 4. All of students know that when we make the pairs, only single number comes from the square root. Now 6 plus 2 into 2 is 1 pair, so only 2 comes out from the square root 2 root 3 upon 4. Now value of x are 6 plus 2 root 3 upon 4, and another value is 6 minus 2 root 3 upon 4. Now taking 2 common from this, 3 plus root 3 upon 4, 2 2s are 4. Similarly 2 takes also common from this, 3 minus root 3 upon 4, 2 2s are 4. So the roots of a question are, hence the roots of quadratic equation are 3 plus root 3 upon 2 and 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Now question second, find the value of k for each of following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. In this question we are given a quadratic equation and this quadratic equation has two equal roots and we have to find the value of k. When does a quadratic have two equal roots? When value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. All of you know that. So firstly we will find the value of b square minus 4ac, then this b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0 for finding the value of k. Let us start. Compare with standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square bx plus c equal to 0. Now a is 2, coefficient of x square is 2, b is coefficient of x is k, c is 3. Now find the value of discriminant. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. b is k square minus 4a. A is 2 and 3. So k square minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. The value of b square minus 4ac is k square minus 24. Now in this question we are given that they have two equal roots. They have two equal roots. बेटे स्टार्टिंग में मैंने बताया था इक्वल रूट्स कब होते हैं. टू इक्वल रियल रूट्स आर if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So in this question we are given that this quadratic equation has two equal roots, so value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The roots of quadratic equation, roots of given quadratic equation are equal. So therefore d is equal to 0. The value of d is equal to 0. So d is k square minus 24 equal to 0. Now k square equal to minus 24 goes to right side by changing their sign, plus 24. So k is equal to root 24. We have to find the square root of k. So k is equal to root 24. Now make the factors of 24 in rough work like this. Now k is equal to 24. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Write down 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. We have 3 2's and 1 3. Make their pairs. 2 into 2 is 1 pair. 2 is also single, 3 is also single. So there is no other pair formed. Now we from the pair only one number is comes out. So 2 into 2 only 2 comes out. Root 2 into 2 3. We left with only 2 into 3. That is k is equal to 2 root 6. when we are taking any number of square root, always check the plus and minus sign. So k is equal to plus minus 2 root 6. Value of k is plus minus 2 root 6. Now question second, kx x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Firstly, multiply kx with both numbers. Kx is multiplied by x, kx square. Similarly, kx is multiplied by 2. 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now compare with quadratic equation. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is k, coefficient of x square is k, coefficient of x is minus 2k, c is constant term, constant term is 6. Now find the value of d. D means discriminant b square minus 4ac. b is minus 2k square, 4a is k, c is 6. Now minus 2k square means 4k square, 6 4s are 24k. Now in this question we are also given that this quadratic equation have two equal roots. We are given this, the roots of given quadratic equation are equal. We are given that the roots of given quadratic equation are equal. If roots are equal means value of b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So d is equal to 0. रूट्स क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के कब इक्वल होंगे? जब d की वैल्यू कितनी होनी चाहिए? 0 के इक्वल होनी चाहिए. सो दिस वैल्यू शुड बी 0 फॉर द इक्वल रूट्स. सो 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. Now taking common 4k, k minus 6 equal to 0. Both terms multiply of both term equal to 0 means we have to take 4k equal to 0 either, or k minus 6 equal to 0. If 4k equal to 0, then k is equal to 0 upon 4 means 0, and or k is equal to minus 6 goes to the right side by changing their sign. K is equal to 6. So we have two values of k. One is 0, other is 6. For both values of k, 0 and 6, this quadratic equation has equal roots. Thank you.